Hey guys, it's Sunday, December 15, and I was kind of learning something in depth about how the imbalances work and like other methods of like volume metric candles and how to actually find the exhaustion and stacked imbalances and pointer control and absorption and blah blah blah, all that good stuff, right? Whatever. And I was trying out some different code, and I think it's like very simple little interesting thing that I found. So if you go on TradingView and then they have this volumetric footprint, right? Because I understand you, all of you might not have NinjaTrader and all that fancy tools, so but more TradingView does have this now. So if you go there and let me also open up another chart here so we can compare something, right? Just a candle chart here. So this is 5 minutes, right? And so here on Wednesday at 5:30 a.m. So let's look at the other chart, Wednesday at 5:30 a.m. and this is on 45 minutes, just to so I can scroll through. So Wednesday 9. Okay, here we go. So 5:15, 5:30, whatever. So you can see here. So you see this uh, red, green dot right here. All right, that green line right here is a imbalance at the price of approximately 21,454, right? And if you look at the delta here, so total volume is 20 something. Out of 20 something, almost 8,000 people are buying and holding, right? And then imbalances, you have one more, one. You have a bunch of imbalances, buy imbalances. There's one sell imbalance at the POC. Sell imbalance, actually, the black highlight is a pointer control. So imbalance at the point of control doesn't count because you are probably always gonna see that no matter what, right? Anyways, so this 20K, out of that 8,000 people are actually buying and holding, right? Which suggests a very strong, super strong a trend continuation, right? Now next candle at 6, a 64,000 volume, and then you got 16,000 people buying and holding, and absolutely no imbalance, not even at the POC on a sell imbalance, right? So buy, right? Then you got 100K and then 16,000 again holding. So this is like adding up, right? I'm sure there are people selling it, but 8,000, 16,000 positive delta, right? Which is a strong continuation on the upside, right? So if you short this thing, you're gonna get whacked. Nothing. This is that simple, really. Like, try and short this, and then you're gonna just get killed. Now, if you wanna see in this 5 a.m. candle, like exactly where to take entry on this, like which imbalance to take entry and whatnot, then you can go on 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 seconds, and kind of try and find. But as long as you know that your direction is up, and you're not going to be confused by this red side, then you're good to go, because like this is very strong. Right now, let's go to Friday, right? And then you can see, like, you can use your uh, some of the technical analysis, like up here the first candle did like a little bit of red, a little bit of red, and then the price is not breaking the high, so the trend is over at whatever 12. And if you are in profit, you might as well take it when that shows up, right? Now, let's see. So this is all 5 and whatnot. We don't care. Okay, so this is when the market opens up again. It's 45-minute candle, right? You got 60,000 people buying, but the imbalance is only 462, right? Not even 1,000. Not even like ideally, like from the previous example, when you see the trend, it is above 5 6,000. People are buying, like delta is above in green 5 6,000, right? Didn't happen. So now the imbalance shows up here on a red, right? The next candle, this candle closes, uh, and that's when you find out that the closing delta is. Now the imbalance shows up here, at 895 on a POC, and then you don't have the buy side, right? Now, if you did go long, I think it's a great time to take the profit and close your books. But if you want to short it, then like right there is the high, like 10 points. Come on, and then you can short and then look at this, you know, the candle is building out and whatnot. Now you got a 5.5k, right? This is very interesting. You got a 5.5k on 86, which kind of, from the previous example, kind of suggests like, oh, very strong selling should continue, right? So are you just gonna like just hop in on the short and then wait for to get burned out or get paid? I mean, you can do that, but um, I would say the candle close, this green right here is an imbalance on a buy. This is the sell, right? Now you gotta be able to close below that. So below this, I just don't see any close ever. Look at this. It just comes back, more buyer here. For like continuously for 45 minutes, which suggests me this candle went positive. This is like you can scrap that. There's nothing here, almost nothing here, right? And then you got a little bit, but the price is actually going away from this, right? So I would think that it's gonna go touch this high, right? And then that's where we go, and then kind of think about this. This is a heavy volume candle for the day, the highest volume candle for the day, and prices usually always travel from low to high of that candle because they want to settle all the unsettled business, right? And that's what happened, you know. And then we closed the day. So basically, we went up, we came down, then we created this candle at 7:30, and then we traded the whole day in this candle, right? And then you can see in my ninja tool, you can see the pretty much the same thing, right? Like the prices came here, and this is that imbalance that we are seeing the green area, and then you just have that green area until the price reaches all the way at the high, right? And then we are done. um, so yeah, I think it's pretty interesting if somebody wants to use this. I think this is very powerful. When the prices are trending and when you hold it, and when you not trend when the prices are not trending and when you don't hold it, and so on and so forth. I really hope this is something that helps you guys. All right, if any questions, shoot me.